Welcome to a modern beverage factory where advanced technology and precision come together to produce thousands of bottles every day. The journey begins with carefully selected raw materials. Purified water, sugar, and essential ingredients are stored and inspected under strict quality standards. Using advanced machinery, these ingredients are mixed with precision, following a controlled formula to ensure consistent taste and quality. The beverage then moves to the automated bottling line, where hundreds of bottles are filled, sealed, and prepared every minute. Every bottle goes through strict quality control checks to ensure safety, hygiene, and high production standards. After inspection, bottles are carefully packed using automated systems, making them ready for delivery. From the factory floor to distribution centers, this is how a single bottle begins its journey to reach consumers around the world.